Hello and welcome to this Dogecoin market update. On the Doge chart, we are continuing to track an ABC structure to the upside that has been developing since the October low. The structure consists of an A wave up, a B wave pullback, and now a potential C wave advance. Based on current price data, the first ideal target for the C wave sits around 26 cents. This level aligns closely with the October highs and represents the 100% extension, which is a typical objective for a C wave. While confidence is still moderate, this is the first meaningful upside momentum attempt we have seen since the October correction began. The working assumption remains that Dogecoin is forming an AB setup followed by a C wave higher, with the C wave expected to unfold as a 5-wave impulsive move. Wave 1 may already be complete, although it is still possible we see one more marginal high before Wave 2 begins. The upcoming pullback will be critical, as it should clarify whether bullish momentum is strong enough to take control. At this stage, it is also possible that Wave 2 is already underway. Because of that uncertainty, the key support zone is already defined. The primary support area for Wave 2 lies between 12.2 cents and 13.8 cents. As long as price holds within this zone, the bullish structure remains valid. Zooming into the smaller structure, the recent move can already be interpreted as a completed 5-wave advance, followed by an ABC corrective sequence. Alternatively, price could still be working on a final push higher within Wave 1. In either case, the focus remains on how price behaves if a pullback occurs. If Dogecoin pulls back into the support zone, the most important levels to monitor are 13.8 cents, 13.3 cents, 12.9 cents, and 12.2 cents. A corrective 3-wave pullback into this area followed by a clear impulsive 5-wave reaction to the upside would be an encouraging signal and could mark the start of a stronger third wave. There's also minor structural support near 14.3 cents, though this level is not supported by Fibonacci or Elliott Wave measurements and should be treated as secondary. In summary, Dogecoin remains in a developing corrective to bullish transition. The upside target near 26 cents remains valid as long as price holds above the 12.2 to 13.8 cent support zone. The next pullback and subsequent reaction will be decisive in confirming whether the bulls are ready to take control.